Today we are working on the C6 Corvette and we are repairing the shifter cable. Basically was not shifting in any gears, but let's get to it. So take apart the dash. I'm looking at this gear shifter and it's not connected at all. So I think we found the issue. Got a new one on there. So we got this new